Did you ever lilt in a sad situation?
No, I don't think you could.
It's always
Joyful.
joyful.
Yeah, joyful, yeah.
This reminds us, Séamus, of when we went up to Dublin. Tom Sherlock rang many years ago and he says, any chance you could bring up the lilter? And I says, what's going on? And he says, Carlos Núñez, he says, the Galician piper, is over in Ireland and he's making an album of film tunes. And he says, well, one of the tunes he's doing with Altan, he says, Mairead and the band are down, he says, is they're going to do a Popeye. And he says, you know Popeye? And I says, yeah. What's that to do with Séamus? And diddly-da-da-da-da-da. The next minute he lilted this down the phone to me. And he says, would Séamus do that for them? And I says, wow, that's a really new one.